Well, we have just manual control with the joystick here. A twist of the knob will zoom in. Whoa. Zoom in or zoom out. As you zoom in tighter, the motions get slower for ease of use. With this particular PTZ we have set up, if it's out of focus a little bit, I can change the focus just to try and get something specific in focus. We can change cameras just by basically, I don't have 2 cameras, but we can just do camera 2 and cam. And it'll change on the display to our camera 2. I want to go back to camera 1. Keyboard number 1, where we have 4 keyboards hooked up together, multiple cameras, different monitors as well. Sit there and follow somebody. Keep an eye on them. And behind the wall. Manual control on this is great. We can set up presets by basically 4 buttons, or I can automatically go to a preset. Preset number 1, preset number 2, and preset. And I'll automatically go to these areas. Depending on what cameras you have, we can actually set up dwell times where it will auto pan completely by itself, pan automatically, or run through a tour of different presets. Different patterns as well. Preset number 2, preset number 3, preset number 4. Our camera in black and white, since we happen to be in night mode now. I still want to see what's going on with our stranger out here.